Robot Framework is a generic test automation framework that can be used to automate both functional and acceptance tests of software applications. It is a Python-based framework that provides a simple and intuitive syntax for writing test cases. Here are some key features of Robot Framework. 1. Simple syntax. Robot Framework uses a simple and easy-to-learn syntax for writing test cases. This makes it accessible to developers and non-technical testers alike. 2. Flexible. Robot Framework can be used to automate a wide range of tests, including functional, acceptance, and regression tests. It supports various test libraries and tools, allowing users to choose the best tools for their testing needs. 3. Extensible. Robot Framework is highly extensible, with a large library of third-party libraries and tools available. Users can easily integrate their own custom libraries and tools to extend the framework's functionality. 4. Modular. Robot Framework test cases are designed to be modular, making it easy to reuse test cases across different test runs and projects. 5. Support for a wide range of programming languages. Robot Framework supports a wide range of programming languages, including Python, Java, Ruby, and .NET. 6. Integration with popular test tools. Robot Framework integrates with a wide range of popular test tools, including Selenium, Appium, and JMeter. 7. Easy test data management. Robot Framework provides a built-in test data management feature that allows users to easily manage test data for their test cases. 8. Support for various testing paradigms. Robot Framework supports a variety of testing paradigms, including keyword-driven testing, behavior-driven development (BDD), and data-driven testing. 9. Built-in reporting. Robot Framework provides built-in reporting features that allow users to easily generate test reports and summaries. Overall, Robot Framework is a powerful and flexible test automation framework that can be used to automate a wide range of tests for software applications. Its simple syntax and extensive library of third-party libraries and tools make it a popular choice for testers and developers alike.